Hello everyone, welcome back to Falling for Chinese. I'm Wang. Today we are learning essential Chinese manner expressions which you will use daily in China or any Chinese communities. Let's start. The first one is 谢谢, means thanks. Say it with me, 谢谢. Again, 谢谢. If you want to sound more sincere, say 谢谢你 means thank you. Say it with me, 谢谢你. Again, 谢谢你. In English, thanks and thank you may mean the same. However, in Chinese, 谢谢 and 谢谢你 don't sound the same. And if you want to show extra respect, especially to elders or teachers, say 谢谢您 using a more polite version of you. Say it with me, 谢谢您. Again, 谢谢您. If you want to learn more about the use of 您, I've got another video on that. Check the comment section. I will leave the link there. Now let's look at the character breakdown. 谢 is combined by two parts, speech radical plus 射 to shoot, while 射 can be further divided into another two parts, 身 and 寸. 身 means body. In ancient times, people used their bodies to aim when shooting arrows. This part relates to the action. 寸 means an inch or a small amount, relating to action and measurement. In classical Chinese, 寸 often represents the hand or a precise action, like measuring or controlling, similar to shooting an arrow carefully. Think of it like this. A person, 身, using precise control, 寸, to shoot, let's 射. Then arrows shot from a speech bubble are like sending thanks like arrows. If people say 谢谢你 to you, how should you respond? Some of you may know it's 不客气, meaning you are welcome. Say it with me, 不客气. Again, 不客气. Let's break down the characters. 不, please remember, there is one line on each side, just like you are waving your hands widely to tell people no. 客 means guest, literally. It's formed by roof plus 个. The character 个 combines motion, 直, and 口. 直 means walking down to a place. 口 means mouth. So it means the mouth of your house, which is the entrance of your house. So 客 means a guest walking to your doorways under your roof. 气 means air. It captures the abstract concept of social energy, making it ideal to describe the unspoken rules of politeness. 气 originated in oracle-born script as 3 horizontal lines, meaning flowing air, mist, or vapor. Imagine the 3 lines as flowing mist over a river, intangible yet ever present. This mirrors how qi represents both physical air and abstract energy. What do these two characters have to do with politeness? 客气 means being polite. Imagine a guest bringing polite air into a room, therefore reply to 谢谢 with 不客气. No need to be so polite. Make yourself at home. Now let's do some practice.
谢谢，
不客气，
谢谢你，
不客气。
Next one is 对不起. I'm sorry. Say it with me, 对不起. Again, 对不起. Let's look at a character breakdown. 对 means correct or to face. It combines 右 plus 寸 again. Do you remember what 寸 means? it appears in characters related to the hand or action. You can imagine that two hands are working to make things right. By breaking down 起, you can see 走 plus 挤. 走 means to walk. 挤 means self. You yourself want to leave, so you need to rise in order to start walking. 不以不起 has been mentioned previously. It means no, so 不起 means don't rise. 对不起 literally means facing you without rising because I feel sorry. To reply 对不起, you can say 没关系, it's okay. Say it with me. 没关系. Again, 没关系. Let's break down the characters. In 没, the three dots on the left are water radical. Do you remember what the bottom right bit means? Yes, it is the same as the left part of 对. It means hand. The top right is 几, a table. Here's a story to help you. May's original meaning is to sink, and it means none in modern use. Imagine you are at a riverbank. That's why there's a water radical with a small tea table, 几, floating on the water. Suddenly, you use your hand to push the table down, causing it to sink into the river and disappear. Oh, don't ask me why. I don't know why either. It's just a story to help you to remember the character. Let's look at 关系. 关系 means connection. 关 means to relate. 系 means to tie or to bond. So 关系 literally means the connection. It's like saying this little mistake doesn't connect to anything between us. So 没关系. It's no problem. Now let's do some practice.
对不起，
没关系，
对不起，
没关系。
The final one is 再见, means goodbye. Say it with me. 再见. Again, 再见. Let's look at the character breakdown. 再 means again. It's a stand-alone character in Chinese. What does this character look like to you? Imagine this. You are standing by your window. The top line is the curtain pole. The two sides are long curtains flowing down. Below is the window sill. 见 means to see. It has been simplified from the I radical and the next radical. Your best friend is leaving. You open the curtains, looking out the window and say, I'm watching you go, but 再见, I will see you again. So 再见 literally means see you again. But don't say 再见 to me yet. Let's practice saying them again.
再见，
再见，
再见。
再见。
Today you've learned 3 useful expressions for good manners in Chinese. Well done! We also explored some fun stories behind those characters. If you come up with your own creative way to remember them, please share it with us in the comments. We'd love to hear your ideas. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. 再见!